What's up, everybody? Happy Monday. Today, I'm coming to you with a few tips about social proof. So social proof is really important on any landing page, on any website, and to be honest, I also use it in my emails. Social proof is the art of essentially giving proof to the claims that you are making. So you may have seen it before in types of also seen on, or as seen on, or logos of different companies that you've worked with. And sometimes you also see testimonials, or if you're an e-commerce site, you'll see reviews. So there's a few very important ways that you can leverage social proof in a much higher way than just putting logos on the website or the landing page itself. So let's start and talk about the importance of social proof and how it works. The number one thing that you need to know about social proof is that it's not about just having some amazing testimonial that just says, this is the best thing that ever happened to me, or thank God for this company. That's not what we're looking for. Social proof is there to actually hit roadblocks in the face. And what that means is that when your prospects come to your page, they have all sorts of worries, concerns, things that are going to stop them from converting. It's your job to know what those are going to be. Is it to do with pricing? Is it to do with the customer service? Is it to do with not understanding how to use the product? It could be a million things. So you need to know exactly what your three top roadblocks are. And then what you want to do is find social proof that dissolves it. So for example, if you know that one of the biggest roadblocks that you have is to do with customer service. For example, I'm really worried I won't be able to do this by myself. So you will want to have social proof on the page that proves that you are there for them. So maybe you'd have a testimonial that says, wow, I really hit a roadblock, and at 2 a.m. Sydney from the office reached out and chatted with me and solved my issue. Or someone helped me on a Saturday. So the idea here is that you recognize what that roadblock is, what's going to stop them from converting, and then you're using social proof that addresses that. So testimonials is obviously the most, persuasive way to go, but you can also use reviews, and you can also use logos of different companies. You could also use numbers. And what that means is you could say, X people have bought this, or tens of thousands of people or 100 people have already chosen this product or have signed up for this solution or this service. You could feature the amount of X actions that you've taken within the company. So the idea is that you are proving that you are who you say you are. And when you have someone saying that for you, it's so much stronger than you just saying, yeah, we work 24/7. When someone says, oh, Sydney from the office helped me at 2 a.m., that is so much stronger. So that is just about social proof strategy. The other thing I want to talk to you about is where you can place social proof on the page. So obviously, like, the most common thing you see is those logos in the header section. So cool, great. You could say that as seen on, or companies we work with, fantastic, great start. But that's not enough. I want you to have a testimonial section on the website. And I urge you to consider supporting almost every single section on the landing page with some sort of social proof, with a review, a testimonial, a number, a quote from a blog that wrote about you, anything really, just supporting it with that. I think that can be so strong, and we've run, thousands of tests, and social proof is always such a huge powerhouse in moving people towards conversions. So don't just say, oh, cool, I have the logo section on my landing page, done. Think about the actual different sections on your page and where you can include it. And also, if you have an about section on your landing page, which you should, which is about you, about the service, why you started it, why you're selling it, then you could also include social proof in there. And even the visuals that you're using could include social proof. So if you are a doctor, you could have your certificate. So there's all sorts of things that you can leverage in there. But the idea is do not forget about social proof because it does have huge significance on conversions. All right, that's my tip for this week. If you have any questions, drop them in this Facebook group or drop your landing pages. I want to review them. I want to see them. I want to give you feedback and I want to help you out. Have a wonderful week. Bye.